So what we're doing at the moment is looking at simplifying expressions, and this is by adding and subtracting. So if we look at the first one, 2x plus 5 minus 4x plus 3, let's circle each term. So the first one's 2x, the second one's plus 5, the third one, just be careful that minus belongs to the 4x, and the last one is 3. Now our like terms are numbers with the same variable in it. So for example, we've got 2x minus 4x, so we'll do that first. So we've got 2x and minus 4x. So if we've got 2x and we subtract 4x, then we end up with minus 2x. So we'll put that down first. So we've dealt with those two, so let's cross them out. Now here we've got plus 5 and plus 3. So we add plus 5 and plus 3 together, we get plus 8. And there's your answer to the first one. Just be careful with when you just have numbers, they're not the same as having with x's as well. So that's why we have to keep negative 2x or what separate away from plus 8. Right, the next one we've got y squared minus 4y plus 3y squared minus y. So let's again circle our terms. So we've got y squared minus 4y plus 3y squared minus y. So we've got 4 terms there. So let's look at our like terms. So our first like terms, we'll look at y squared. So we've got 1y squared there. Y squared is just 1y squared. And we've got 3y squared here. So 1y squared plus 3y squared is 4y squared. So we've dealt with those ones. And now we look at our y's. So we've got minus 4y here. And we've got minus y here. So minus 4y minus another y equals negative 5y. And there is our answer for that. Right, the third and final one that we're looking at the moment. Again, circle your like terms. So we've got CD plus 4C minus 1 plus 3CD minus C. So let's get our CDs together. Okay, so we've got 1 CD here. And we've got 3 plus 3 CD there. So if we've got 1 CD plus 3 CD, that makes 4 CD. Okay, so we can cross those out. Alright, now we just look at our C's. We've got 4C. Now next to it is not a C, it's just negative 1. So we're going to ignore that one. And then we come down to the end and we look at negative C. So 4C minus 1C is 3C. And we have 3C there. And all we're left with is minus 1. So like before, minus 1 is just a constant. It hasn't got a variable with it, so we don't combine it with the variables. And that's how we simplify, by simplifying, adding to and subtracting like terms.